Hello viewers, welcome to the course E-Assessment. In this video, we are going to see a very important component in E-Assessment process, that is environment for E-Assessment. It is very important and we have to set everything perfect before we run the E-Assessment session. Let us see the environment for E-Assessment in detail. The environment and infrastructure facilities play a major role in the E-Assessment setting. If the learners are going to attend the assessment in one place, the center has to make all the arrangements properly. Since many students are going to sit in one place during the assessment time, which may be from half an hour to 3 hours, the proper ventilation has to be arranged to maintain the heat exhibited by the computer. The vision of the learners may be different and the children with visual problems can attend the E-Assessment session. So, the suitable lighting should be arranged for both on screen and off screen. They have to arrange lighting which will suit for all types of learners. There should be preparing sufficient workspace for the learner to access to the computer, so that they can use the mouse and keyboard without any interruption. The E-Assessment center should have adjustable chairs with good base and footrest, so that the learner can sit comfortably during the time of assessment without any discomfort. In the E-Assessment center, the monitor of the computer in which the learners attend the assessment can be adjustable for the learner's view. It can be arranged in a horizontal line along with the workspace to keep the mouse and keyboard and any other material used for assessment such as calculator, worksheet and others. There can be a space or partitions between one learner and others to prevent the learner from watching others' screen and avoid interaction and disturbances during the E-Assessment process. In case of children with special needs, there should be a cabin or place for them with the required space to use their assistive technology such as wheelchairs, extra equipments, headphones, big monitor, etc. There can be a separate workspace for the invigilator to move around and help the learner in case of emergency. Hardware and software. The environment of E-Assessment includes the hardware and software aspects. The E-Assessment center has to take proper care about the hardware and software requirements for the E-Assessment session. If the E-Assessment center is using the intranet or a internet, they have to decide the maximum number of students per E-Assessment session and the frequency of the transaction between the learner and server to have smooth access of the assessment. If the E-Assessment center use Interacts to run the assessment, they have to ensure the data speed and validity period for the internet and the accessibility of internet in each computer to run the E-Assessment without any interruption. If audio is required for the E-Assessment session, headphones has to be provided to each learner or for the learner with special needs. If it is required for children with special needs or for recording, separate place should be provided to avoid disturbing others. If there are any children with special need request for any assistive technology, that has to be arranged in agreement with the awarding body. The center should have the required hardware, software and other integral parts as per the requirements to run the E-Assessment process. There has to be a proper backup plan for the E-Assessment session, namely assessment center, hardware, integral parts and software. The center has to ensure the working condition of the hardware and other accessories, license and date of validity of the software, virus protection and integral spare parts to replace in case of emergency has to be maintained properly. As per the data protection rules, all the data which will be used before and after the E-Assessment has to be stored appropriately. So far we have seen some of the environmental support required for the smooth run of e-assessment. Hope you all enjoyed the lesson. Thank you.